Während wir ins Jahr 2026 gehen, durchlaufen YouTube-Automatisierung und Cash-Cow-Kanäle bemerkenswerte Veränderungen, die größtenteils durch Fortschritte in der künstlichen Intelligenz angetrieben werden. KI-gesteuerte Werkzeuge spielen nun eine zentrale Rolle bei der Inhaltserstellung, von der Generierung von Skripten und Voice-Overs bis hin zur Automatisierung der Videobearbeitung. Dieser technologische Wandel ermöglicht es den Erstellern, qualitativ hochwertige Videos effizienter und kostengünstiger zu produzieren. Darüber hinaus verändern sich die Content-Strategien wie Kanäle das Publikum ansprechen, mit einem wachsenden Fokus auf Authentizität und Nischenauswahl. Diese Entwicklungen definieren den Erfolg für Ersteller und Vermarkter in der dynamischen YouTube-Landschaft neu.
AI-driven content creation is revolutionizing the way YouTube videos are produced. By 2026, more than 70% of creators are expected to use AI tools for scripting, generating voiceovers, and editing their videos. This widespread adoption streamlines the production process, allowing creators to produce high-quality content with significantly less manual effort and lower costs. Platforms like Pictory and Canva's Magic Studio have made it easier than ever to automate these tasks, enabling faster turnaround times and greater consistency. As a result, creators can focus more on creativity and strategy, while AI handles much of the technical workload. In recent years, faceless YouTube channels have surged in popularity, marking a significant shift in content creation. Many creators are choosing to remain anonymous, focusing on delivering valuable information or entertainment without revealing their identities. This approach appeals to audiences who prefer content that emphasizes substance over personality. The trend has seen remarkable growth, with a 9,400% increase in such channels over the past 5 years. Anonymity not only protects creators' privacy, but also lowers barriers to entry, enabling more people to share their perspectives and expertise online. Automation is revolutionizing video marketing by leveraging artificial intelligence to handle many of the tasks that once required significant manual effort. AI-powered tools now streamline keyword research, ensuring that creators target the most effective search terms for their content. Content generation and video editing are also becoming more efficient, as AI can quickly assemble scripts, visuals, and audio into polished videos. Additionally, metadata optimization is automated, with intelligent systems generating optimized titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance discoverability. This shift allows creators to focus more on creativity and strategy, while maintaining a consistent and high-quality output. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into YouTube content creation, questions around authenticity and originality are increasingly coming to the forefront. The rise of AI-generated videos has sparked debates about what constitutes genuine content, especially as automation can lead to repetitive or mass-produced material. In response to these concerns, YouTube introduced policy updates in July 2025, specifically targeting inauthentic and overly repetitive content. These new guidelines emphasize the importance of originality and require creators to ensure their videos offer unique value. By addressing these ethical considerations, YouTube aims to maintain a trustworthy and engaging platform for both creators and viewers. Monetization strategies on YouTube are rapidly evolving as creators seek to diversify their income beyond traditional ad revenue. Many are turning to sponsorships, partnering with brands to integrate products and services directly into their content. Merchandise sales have also become a popular avenue, allowing creators to build a stronger connection with their audience while generating additional income. Crowdfunding platforms offer another layer of support, enabling fans to contribute directly to their favorite channels. These approaches help creators establish more sustainable and resilient revenue streams in an increasingly competitive landscape. As YouTube becomes increasingly saturated, especially in lucrative niches like finance and technology, standing out is more challenging than ever. Success now hinges on carefully selecting a strategic niche that aligns with both audience demand and creator expertise. High-quality content remains essential, as viewers are drawn to originality and value in a sea of repetitive material. Additionally, engaging effectively with your audience fosters loyalty and encourages ongoing interaction, which can significantly boost channel growth. In this competitive environment, creators who prioritize thoughtful niche selection, content excellence, and genuine audience connection are best positioned to thrive. AI-powered SEO and metadata optimization are transforming how creators enhance their videos' reach and engagement on YouTube. Advanced tools now automate the generation of optimized titles, descriptions, and tags, making it easier for videos to be discovered by the right audience. Platforms like Make.com offer workflows that intelligently manage metadata, ensuring each video is tailored for maximum visibility. By leveraging these AI-driven solutions, creators can improve their content's discoverability and foster stronger viewer engagement, all while saving valuable time in the production process. Interactive and shoppable content are rapidly transforming the way audiences engage with videos on YouTube. By allowing viewers to interact directly with products and services within the video, these formats create a more immersive and personalized experience. This approach not only captures attention, but also streamlines the path from discovery to purchase, significantly boosting conversion rates for creators and marketers. As a result, interactive and shoppable videos are becoming valuable tools for brands seeking to enhance user engagement and drive measurable results in the evolving digital landscape. In summary, YouTube automation and cash cow channels are undergoing rapid transformation, driven by innovative AI technologies and shifting content strategies. While automation streamlines production and opens new opportunities for creators, it also brings challenges related to content authenticity and originality. Navigating this evolving landscape requires a thoughtful balance between leveraging automation and maintaining genuine, engaging material. As the market becomes more saturated, creators who prioritize both efficiency and authenticity will be best positioned for long-term success. Adapting to these dynamic changes is essential for thriving in the future of digital content creation. Thank you for joining us and taking the time to watch this video. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights and updates on the latest trends. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.